The Finnish smartphone maker HMD Global has launched its new affordable smartphone in some global market called HMD Key. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The HMD Key features a 6.52-inch HD+ display, with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone features an 8-megapixel main camera under the squarish module at the top left corner. Under the hood, the HMD Key comes powered by Uni SoC SC9832E chipset, paired with Mali T820 MP1 GPU. The smartphone packs with 2 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 2 GB by using internal storage, and it has 32 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 128 GB via microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a large 4000 mAh battery, with 10 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box under Go Edition. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 166.4 by 76.9 by 8.95mm, and it weighs around 185.4 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The HMD Key has been priced at £59 sterling, and it will be available for purchase in icy blue and midnight black color options. So, what do you guys think of this HMD Key smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.